Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling to find the perfect moisturizing lotion for your skin? Well, look no further because today we are dive into the ultimate guide to using suitable moisturizing lotion for the perfect skin you have always dreamed it. And let's start by introducing the benefits of incorporating suitable moisturizing lotions into your skincare routine. These lotions are specially formulated to nourish and hydrate your skin, leaving it looking healthy and radiant. And now let's address some common skin issues like dryness, sensitivity, or uneven texture that many of us face. Suitable moisturizing lotion are designed to tackle this concern and providing relief and improvement to your skin conditions. Moving on to the different type of suitable moisturizing lotion available, each tailored to specific skin needs. And whether you have dry, oily, sensitive skin, there's a suitable lotion with key ingredient to address your concern effectively. Here comes the exciting parts, sharing testimonial and before and after result from individual who have seen remarkable transformation in their skin after using suitable moisturizing lotion. These success stories showcase the real impact these lotions can have on achieving healthier and smoother skin. In conclusions, and suitable moisturizing lotions are a game changer in the quest of perfect skin, and their effectiveness in hydrating, nourishing, and improving skin texture makes them must have in your skincare arsenal. And now it's time. Turn to take action. Try out suitable moisturizing lotions for yourself and experience different. Don't forget to share your result and experience in the comment below. We can't wait to hear about your journey to healthier glowing skin. So what are you waiting for? It's time to elevate your skin routine and Cetaphil moisturizing lotions and unlock the secret to achieving that perfect skin you have always desired. So guys, I just wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you, massive thank you for support our channel. Your support means everything to me, and we couldn't do this without you. We are constantly striving to create content that you will love, and your feedback and comment are invaluable to in helping us improve. So I just wanted to let you know that we appreciate every single one of you and your continued support. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching.